Bandera County until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lost Maples State Park or near Vanderpool, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
40, really?
Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Hail damage to
Expect
roof.
wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Medina, Bandera, Vanderpool, and Lost Maples State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Yeah, no.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah.
First severe thunderstorm warning of the year. Or wait, is it first one that's been recorded of the year?
Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bandera County until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located
Just
near
went off a
Lost
second
Maples
time, and it's
State
for the
Park
same area.
or near Vanderpool, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Medina, Bandera, Vanderpool, and Lost Maples State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety. Sturdy structures such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is the lowest floor.
Yeah, it is.
This is Noah, Weather Radio.
It just went off twice.
Oh, boy, it's moving your Minecraft character. Look.
Isn't that weird? It went off twice.
Dog plays Minecraft.
It went off twice for the same warning.
Dog plays Minecraft.
I'm like, you just told this. Well, actually,
Told us this. What?
well, I didn't say that, but wow, EAS Fail. I've never had that happen before. I'll have to relook the video and see if the exact same places were impacted. Well, actually, I think it was because, yeah.
I'm liking my house so far. This doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, this is why I need this radio on.
This house looks very nice.
Bullet, why are you doing on the floor?
Because he's a dog.
And vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs.
I'm gonna put it on alert mode.
What good did that do exactly?
It doesn't.
A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
If it's gonna
Tornadoes
play
can
again,
develop quickly from severe
then
thunderstorms.
it's messed up.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely,